This shocking miracle is just shocking.
What happened? Tripping. Not acting cool anymore.
While scrolling online, I stumbled upon a video that blew my mind. Some guys took a parrot to a graveyard, and this is what happened.
Looking down.
Yeah, she is looking down.
Screams.
It's mentioned in this hadith that animals are able to hear the punishment of the grave happening. So the interesting part is that parrots can mimic the sounds they hear. As we saw in the video, the parrot was getting frightened and started screaming too. This is proof that people are being punished right now for their actions in the dunya. This is actually really scary. Use this reminder to not forget to pray.